Alright guys, so the new team of the week just came out. Looks pretty sick. Got Neymar and Ibra, obviously. You'd want that card. Unbelievable. 93 shooting. That's the best attribute right there. Got Neymar, he's really good. And then got Raheem Sterling. He may not seem like a great player, but he's gonna sell for a lot, so I hope I can pack him. And I'm an Arsenal fan. Look, Victor Villa, he really earned in one card. Yeah, there's actually quite a few good players on the bench, so I think I got a good chance to get a good info this week. So let's get into the first pack. Here we go. Hopefully we get an inform. Ooh, that is not an inform. Oh my god. There's one of my worst packs so far. Alright, here we go for the next pack. Let's see who we can get. Maybe someone good this time. Come on. Oh my god, that sucks. Wow. Just racking up the terrible packs. Okay, maybe we can actually get a good pack this time. Here we go. Come on, I want to inform. I'll be sick. Dang it. Oh my god, look at all those players now. Jeez. Oh, and a contract. I thought it was a gold pack. That's not that bad, just look at all those players. Alright, here comes the free contract pack. I could get something good here. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, yes, a manager contract. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. That's probably my best. That's my best thing I've packed this whole year. Alright guys, so the packs weren't going well, so I just bought some FIFA points, so I'm gonna see if I can get some good now. Let's go, hopefully I can get that purple Wijnaldum card. Crap. Just total crap. Total crap. Alright, this next pack has to be better. That one was terrible. Please be a good player. Oh my god. Come on. Alright, we've got to get someone good soon. Come on. Oh my god. Am I gonna get anyone good? What is this pack? Oh my gosh. Alright, it's been a while since I've gotten someone good. I need to get someone good now. So I want that inform so bad. I'm not wanting it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't get a rare player. Alright, I really need a good player soon. This is not good. Come on, Guerrero, maybe I'll get you in the pack. Oh my god. At least it's a rare player, but it's terrible. Crap. Come on, FIFA. I need a good player. Oh my gosh. Player pack. Oh, that's decent. Alright, here we've got the 2-player pack. Hopefully it's a rare gold. That's all I can hope for. Nope, not a rare gold. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Johanna Bakashklash. Wow. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna open some premium gold players packs because those 7.5K packs are just crap right now. Hopefully we can get an inform at least. great. Nope. Kidding me? It's terrible. Alright, this is the last pack. Hopefully I can get at least a decent player. Come on. Please. That's terrible. What the heck? I don't even open packs. Alright, I'm gonna open a 15K pack. Hope I can get someone good. I've gotten Vidal in one of these before, so well, that would be nice right now. I need someone good. Hold on. Ugh. That's not. Hey, Pyatt's pretty good. It's not the worst pack. I was hoping for maybe a better player, but alright. It's decent. Okay, here comes another 15K pack. Hopefully we get where in the pack. It's my card, so let's hopefully he's in there. Allen. Oh my god. Dang, that was a bad pack. Alright, that last 15K pack wasn't very good, so I'm going to open a 7.5K pack this time. Hopefully I can get something good. Maybe an inform, doubt it, but it could happen. Dang, nah, that's pretty bad. You were hiding in here? Nope. Alright, hopefully we can get the first inform for FIFA 16. For me, that would be sweet. It could be Ibra. And an Ibra. Shoot, dude. That sucked. Alright, let's get someone good. Maybe an inform. Probably not. Just someone good, come on. Kidding me? John Joe Shelford? Alright, come on, let's get someone good. We can end the pack opening if we get someone good. Maybe that's luck. Harry Kane is luck. No, he's not. No, he's not. Oh, crap. Alright, let's get somebody good so we can end this pack opening. Come on. Damn, I thought it was Benzema. It's decent, but it's not Benzema. Okay, now I get an inform. Come on. Come on, get an inform. Oh, that's crap. That's crap. Dang it. Alright, come on. Can I actually get someone good? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes, that's pretty good. Yes, that's decent. Alright guys, so obviously that pack opening was pretty bad. I didn't even get anyone good until my last pack, which is Art of Turn. Sold for like 14K, which isn't very good, but it's the best person I got, so I'm kind of, it's a really bad pack opening. But I'm okay with getting him. So yeah, I'll be uploading a new pack opening soon. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.